So let's discuss today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about volcano and earthquake. So we can see here volcano is an opening of the earth's surface through which molten material is ejected onto the surface of the earth. So why this happens? Due to the great heat and pressure inside the earth's surface. So you can see here here the molten material is inside the earth's surface, that is called as magma, and due to the heat and pressure inside the earth's surface, what is happening here? That is ejecting through the vent. So the narrow opening of the earth's surface from which the volcanic material is ejecting, that is known as vent, and when it start ejecting onto the surface of the earth, this is known as lava. So through this process two type of igneous rocks are formed. When this molten material is solidified inside the earth's surface, then intrusive igneous rocks are formed. We had already discussed. So when this molten material solidified outside the earth's surface, so this is known as extrusive igneous rocks. So through this process rocks are formed, but these volcanic activities are very harmful for the wildlife and as well for the people living in that area. So the volcanic prone areas are generally not habitable. So means people are not living on that area, that are volcanic prone area. So now come to the earthquake. So what is earthquake? So earthquake is a tremors and vibration onto the earth's crust. So why this happens? Due to the tectonic plate movement. As we know, there are 7 major plates inside the earth's surface and there are 18 minor plates inside the earth. So what happens? These plates move inside the earth, and due to the molten magma and heat and pressure, sometimes these plates are collide and hit to each other and thus cause earthquake. And you can see here through the diagram there is the earthquake, and you can see here the top place from which origination of the earthquake is there, that is known as epicenter, and interior part from that area earthquake is originated is known as focus. So interior part from which the earthquake is originated is known as focus, and exterior part on that earthquake is originated is known as epicenter. So the great destruction is caused on the areas that are near to the epicenter, means the areas that are very near to the epicenter, great destruction is caused, and when the vibration move far away places, that cause less destruction as compared to the areas that are near to the epicenter. So how we can get the knowledge about the earthquake intensity? So this study is known as seismology. So the study of earthquake is known as seismology, and the instrument through which we can measure the intensity of the earthquake is known as seismograph. So the intensity of the earthquake is measured at the Richter scale. So these we have come to know due to the tectonic movement of the earth plates that are interior of the earth. So what can be done for the less destruction of the earthquake? So strong pillars can be made to support the buildings, and in the earthquake prone area wood houses should be made, and the long walls should be supported from the concrete column. So by taking care of these measures, we can get less destruction from the earthquake. So that's all for today. So we will discuss tomorrow next chapter.